I couldn't kneel without pain. I couldn't sleep without aching. But after 7 days of this Japanese salt bath, my joints felt 10 years younger. For months, my knees were screaming. Climbing stairs, torture. I tried turmeric, stretches, even pricey creams. Nothing worked. Until I found an old Japanese remedy, onsens, salt mineral baths. I thought, why not try it at home? Just hot water and a few scoops of healing salts. By day 3, I noticed something strange. I was walking lighter, sleeping deeper. The swelling? It was fading. So I started digging into why. Turns out, it's not just a bath. It's therapy, from the inside out. Let's break down what actually happens when you soak in a Japanese-style hot salt bath. The salt I used? Magnesium-rich bath salt, like nigari or epsom. Magnesium absorbs through your skin and helps reduce inflammation around joints. It relaxes tight muscles. It even helps calm the nervous system. Japanese baths are hot, not warm. Around 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. That heat boosts circulation, loosens stiff tissue, and helps joints flush out toxins. Studies show heat therapy can ease rheumatoid and osteoarthritis pain naturally. Japan's natural hot springs contain sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. Even at home, salt blends with trace minerals can mimic these benefits. After just 15 minutes, I felt a deep sense of calm, and my pain eased. Chronic stress makes pain worse, but when you soak, your parasympathetic system kicks in. You relax, cortisol drops, and your body finally begins to heal. By the 7th day, I realized something wild. I hadn't reached for pain meds all week. I walked to the mailbox without limping. I slept through the night without tossing. It wasn't a miracle. It was a habit, repeated daily, that gave my body what it was missing. Simple, ancient, powerful. Want to try it? Use warm water, magnesium bath salts, 15 to 20 minutes a night. No phone, no noise, just you and the water. Drop a water drop emoji if your joints need relief. Like this, if you believe in healing the natural way. And subscribe for more Eastern secrets backed by real results.